How's it pronounced? Solartrack?
Solectrac.
Solar
electric tractor.
Solartrack. Okay. And do you plug this in to recharge it?
Yes, you do.
Okay.
To a 240 30 amp
Okay.
outlet.
Like an electric car?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like an electric car.
Lithium ion.
It's lithium iron phosphate.
Lithium iron phosphate.
What kind of reaction have you been getting from people?
All people are really excited
Yeah.
about it. Yeah. They're just totally fascinated. Something quiet can be so powerful.
What's that?
Tractor in the future.
Oh, I would think so, yes, absolutely. Yeah.